Tired of your iMessage looking like a sticker explosion? Let's dive into how to delete stickers on your iPhone, keeping your iMessage conversations clean and organized, in just a few simple steps. First, if you want to remove a sticker that's already been sent, simply tap and hold on the specific sticker you want to get rid of within the message thread. A menu will appear with a few options. Look for and tap the sticker details option. This will show you where the sticker came from. Now, tap on the name of the sticker pack. This will take you to the App Store or the iMessage app drawer, showing you the sticker pack's details. To manage sticker packs, swipe left or right on the app drawer, which is located at the bottom of your iMessage conversation, until you find the sticker pack you want to manage. Or, tap on the App Store icon within the iMessage app to access the iMessage App Store. Now, tap the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Next, tap the Manage tab. This will display a list of all your installed iMessage apps and sticker packs. From here, you can toggle the switch next to each sticker pack to either enable or disable it. Disabling a sticker pack removes it from your iMessage app drawer, effectively hiding it. To completely remove a sticker pack, swipe left on the sticker pack name. A red delete button will appear. Tap this to completely remove the sticker pack from your iPhone, and that's it. Now your iMessage conversations can be sticker-free and easier to navigate.